Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel WebToTech. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to flip image in Canva. You need to first open Canva. You can either go with your application or website. I am going to continue with website. For this, open any web browser on your PC. I am going on with Google Chrome. Now go to your search bar, then type in www.canva.com, then press on enter. With this, you'll be taken to official website of Canva. Now make sure that you are logged into your Canva's account. After this, here you can continue with your previous design or you can create a new one. I'm going to create a new one. For this, click on Create a Design option present on the left. Now, select a design. I am going on with presentation. Now to flip image in Canva, you need to add picture in Canva. You can simply click on Elements option present on the left side. Then you can click on the search bar on top. Then type in pictures. Then press on enter. With this, here you can see different kind of results. You can see photos option. Then you can click on see all option to look at different kind of photos option. Now click on the photo that you want. With this, your photo will be added on the Canva. Now, on the top of the photo, you can see the option of flip. Click on flip. Then here you can see two options. You can either flip the photo horizontally or you can flip it vertically. To flip the photo in a vertical direction, click on flip vertical. Similarly, to flip in horizontal direction, click on flip horizontal. With this, you'll be able to flip image in Canva. As you can see here, my image has been flipped. This is how we can flip image in Canva. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you liked today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.